Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. Today it's a bit of BBC, yes, banana barbecue chicken. Really tasty and easy recipe to make, a little bit unusual, but tastes great. Let's get on with it. First thing I've got is a nice big bowl, and I'm just going to slice up a banana. Now, an older banana will work better. This was quite new, still quite firm. Should have left it for a day or two, but it doesn't matter. Use a potato masher to mash that banana right up, get it really smooth, or smooth as you possibly can. It's going to form the basis of our marinade. It's going to add a lot of sweetness as well. I'm going to add in a little bit of garlic paste as per usual, around about 2 cloves worth, or the equivalent of. A little bit of lemongrass paste. We're going for a bit of a sort of Indonesian Thai type flavour that goes in. Very simple. A little bit of coriander paste that goes in, around about a teaspoon ish, and the same again with a bit of coriander paste as well. That goes straight into our banana mixture. A little bit of onion powder like that, probably about a tablespoon's worth. A little bit of mirin that can go in. Little bit of agave. If you haven't used agave, a really good substitute for using any other sweetener. Soy sauce, probably about 2 tablespoons, maybe 3 tablespoons worth. That can go straight into our mix as well. Give that all a really good stir up. Get all those flavors combined. Just use a fork or a spoon. Very, very simple. Just get that all nice and done. Here I've got 5 chicken cutlets. That's the thigh with the bone in. Put a couple of slits into the skin. I'm leaving the skin on. I prefer the flavour that way. It does taste really good, and that's going to help get the marinade into all of that meat. Just give those a nice little slice through, not all the way. Put that straight into your marinade like that. And how easy is this so far? As long as you've got the ingredients in the refrigerator, give those a bit of a turn around. I'm going to marinate that for around about an hour and a half, to be honest with you, turning the chicken around from time to time. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook these on the barbecue. So get your barbecue at a nice medium heat. Make sure the grill's nicely oiled, not too much, otherwise we'll end up with flames and fire and brimstone. And all we have to simply do is cook these for around about 10 minutes per side, or until we have an internal temperature of about 74 degrees centigrade or Celsius. Make sure you pour the marinade over the top of the chicken as well. That way we'll get a maximized flavor and usage of everything that we've just created. The smell coming off the barbecue at the moment is nuts. Right, we've already given those a flip. We've got that nice little bit of char happening. And all we have to do now is get ready to serve this up. Make sure you've got your sides ready to go. Look at that beautiful barbecued chicken, that beautiful char. The barbecue has given the banana an incredible flavour, and the banana has given the chicken an incredible flavour. Serve that up. I'm going to serve that up with some onion rings, some crinkle cut fries, my favourite. That's why you see them so often. And before you know it, you've got this really easy dish. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to make something a little bit different, a little bit new, just like this one. You need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my BBC, my banana barbecue chicken, and I will catch you next time. Bye!